Are you writing a short story and love sports? Well, look no further. This video is for you. Welcome authors to Next Level Writing. In this video, we will outline how to write an inspirational sports story in 5 paragraphs. We will outline what needs to occur in each paragraph and what you, the author, must focus on to effectively reach your audience. Before we begin, take a time out and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, check out the Next Level Writing website. The link is in the video's description. Now, time to kick that goal and start writing. While there are many different plot lines to choose from when writing a sports story, the plot line we will focus on today is a character overcoming a challenge. There will also be an optional twist at the end of the video. To start, let's make a plan. For this story, you will simply plan by answering these 3 questions. An example could be, what sport will you focus on in your story? Basketball. What challenge will your main character encounter? They'll miss the winning shot. And how will they overcome the challenge? They will train harder for the next game. With our simple plan completed, it is now time to begin writing. Here is an overview of each of the paragraphs and what you must focus on in each one. Paragraph 1. Fail. In paragraph 1, start with action. Start in the middle of a situation unique to your sport. It could be the middle of a game, some trials, a penalty shootout. Whatever it is, you must reveal the sport and the situation your character is in. Once the scene is set, it is time to put your character in a position to win. Unfortunately, your character must fail and as a result, lose. Paragraph 2. The impact. Losing has had a devastating impact on your character. Spend paragraph 2 describing the impact of failing on your character. How are they feeling and how do they show this feeling? This is the low point in your story for your character, so do not be afraid to focus heavily on the negative emotion of the character and using strong vocabulary that reflects this emotion. Paragraph 3. Drive. With your character experiencing their low point, it is now time to get them out of it. In paragraph 3, they must come to the realization or receive guidance from someone else that they must take action to improve themselves and learn from their failure. This will be different for each sport, but the main ways that people improve are training, getting fit, practicing a particular skill. Whatever it is your character does, don't let them succeed straight away and focus on determination and hard work that it takes to improve. Paragraph 4. Results. Paragraph 4 is all about setting up for the final. Perhaps there is another big game or competition. Whatever it is, your character is preparing for it. Even though your character has been working hard, here in paragraph 4, you need to focus on the nerves and the memory of their failure in paragraph 1. It has to be clear that that failure is still haunting them. Paragraph 5. Final success. This paragraph will start similarly to that of the first one. Here the focus is on setting up the scene and summarizing the actions of the sport. But then the unthinkable happens. Your character is placed in the same position and has the opportunity to win. This time, as they approach the situation, spend a bit of time focusing on the memories of the failure. But your character must take a deep breath and remember the hard work they've done. Then it is time to achieve success. With the achievement of success, it is time to finish off strong. You could focus on the positive emotion, reflect on the hard work, or even just with the clear statement that they had achieved what they set out to do. And that's that, writing a short story about sport in 5 paragraphs. But now to the optional twist paragraph. Paragraph 6. Twist. After the success, your main character sees a competitor who is upset. They made an error and had cost their team the game. Reflecting on their own experience, your character offers support, perhaps to train or help them improve. And this shows how much they've grown. And that's it, authors. Your 5-paragraph short story with an optional 6th. As always, take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel and keep pushing yourself to take your writing to the next level.